Is it feasible to generate a substantial income from the comfort of your own home? If this question intrigues you, I invite you to stay with me until the end of this video, where we will explore this topic in depth. I'm Yashar, and I hope you're doing great. You're watching the RTM Trader channel, the first and only YouTube channel teaching advanced RTM method price action technical analysis. For a while now, I've decided, in addition to teaching advanced RTM price action, to respond to friends' requests by sharing various strategies to earn money, investment methods, and basic education on the world of cryptocurrencies, from wallets to exchanges. Until a few years ago, when talking about earning money from home, everyone thought of carpet weaving, cooking, and making handicrafts. Everyone thought of housewives because most of these tasks were done by them. But today, with technological advances, the situation has changed significantly. I know men and women who earn high incomes this way. By high income, I mean at least $5,000 a month, and this is achievable. Therefore, gender doesn't play a significant role in this matter anymore, and men and women can work side by side on this path. Before we delve into the various methods of earning substantial incomes, it is crucial to consider a few fundamental points. The first point is that the method or path you choose to earn money should not necessarily be the one with the highest potential income. Instead, it should align closely with your skills and interests. Engaging in a field where you possess expertise and genuine enthusiasm is more likely to lead to sustained success and fulfillment. The second important point is that you should never try multiple methods simultaneously, because doing so will drain a lot of your energy and time, reducing your efficiency. Instead, it is advisable to focus on a single method in which you have the most proficiency, dedicating yourself to mastering and specializing in that area. This focused approach will enhance your productivity and increase your chances of success. Many of you might wonder whether earning money is feasible, particularly given the sanctions and economic restrictions faced by certain countries. You might ask, how can we receive money when we cannot access international bank accounts? The good news is that there are viable solutions to these challenges. You can receive a significant portion of your income in cryptocurrencies or utilize PayPal accounts facilitated by intermediary companies. These alternatives can bypass traditional banking restrictions and provide you with a reliable means to access your earnings. Another practical solution is using PayPal accounts facilitated by intermediary companies. These intermediaries can help you set up and manage PayPal accounts, allowing you to receive and transfer funds internationally. This approach is particularly useful for those who might not have direct access to international banking services. In the upcoming segments, we will explore various methods of earning substantial incomes from home. These methods can be incredibly interesting and exciting, offering numerous opportunities for financial growth and independence. For those of you who have a keen interest in cryptocurrencies and Forex trading, I will provide comprehensive resources and insights to support your journey. Our channel will cover everything you need to navigate these markets successfully. Therefore, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to stay informed about our latest video uploads. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we will delve deeper into the fascinating world of income generation. Until then, stay curious and committed to your financial growth. Have a wonderful day.